I'm Esther Kabugho, a volunteer at Uganda Red Cross, Kampala South Branch. My idea is unique from other similar initiatives that address lack of access to sanitary pads, which are costly to the majority. Besides donating of pads and empowering teenage mothers and girl child with skills to make their own reusable pads, we increase awareness on proper menstrual hygiene and reproductive health in different schools and communities during our training session. We'll improve on our idea by introducing the use of machineries like the sewing machine to increase on the production of reusable sanitary pads, and also produce neat pads that can be put on market and also to use in terms of emergency, since the majority can't have access to sanitary pads. To set up a production unit that will promote micro enterprise sustainability and affordable reusable sanitary pads. This will combat missing of classes by girl, establish market linkage through village level entrepreneur network. The setup will create lasting livelihood opportunities as well as market linkage by identifying and training local communities, teenage mothers, women and school girls to work as village level and school level entrepreneurs. Demand generation through behavior change communication, providing knowledge on menstrual hygiene management empowers communities to make choices in favor of their girl child health. Resources required are land, human capital, machinery, and raw materials. Our key pattern are young women aspire for development, make it right, local leaders like village women representative. We look forward to purchase machine and enough raw material so that we can produce our own reusable sanitary pads in bulk, which can be distributed in different areas beyond Kampala, aiming at keeping girls in school during periods and to ensure safe health menstruation, especially in slum areas of Uganda and in refugee camps. Our idea is lining up with National Society program, which is keeping girls in school, that ensure no girl leaves school because of not having pads. Predicted challenges are limited funds, which can be solved by well wishers, donors, IFRC, and through fundraising. Limited materials to produce enough reusable pads, which can be solved by purchasing locally available materials in downtowns at affordable price. Lack of machinery to speed up the production. We look forward to purchase some machines. Happy Menstruation Day. Every girl deserves to be in school every day of the month. Keep girls and women shining. Thank you.